So it is my pleasure today to introduce Johnny as the head chef and Mr. Singh, the owner of this brand new restaurant. And they had this, they got my attention the other day. I was walking by and I saw a little sign that said, samosas, 10 for $7.95. And I thought, gee, that's a pretty good deal. So I bought some, I took them home, and my wife and I both loved them. They were just amazing, and I thought, Maple Ridge needs to know about this restaurant. So, do you mind if I ask you a few questions?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, so describe your business really. Tell me what it's all about. I mean, you appear to be a takeout type restaurant.
Yeah, we are a takeout restaurant, but we have a little space for the dining too. So, and we specialized in authentic Indian cuisine, which is specially derived from the basic parts of interiors of India, like North India, South India, and some part of Northeast also. Okay. So, I've been living in India, born and brought up over there, and almost 14 years of experience of the restaurant line over there. So, when I came here, I find, especially Maple Ridge, the flavor was missing here. The authentic flavor of the Indian food, East Indian food, it was a little missing here. So when I experimented my original curries and my touch of my flavors here with the Maple Ridge clients, they love it. And you can just go to Google and see the reviews in the last 7 months. So people really appreciated my job, my work, and they're liking it.
Yeah, no, it's we love the food.
Thank you so much.
At the end of the day, it's all about the food. So, what made you decide to open this business here in Maple Ridge with Indian food? Other than the fact that you said already that you felt some of the flavor was missing.
Yeah, the flavor was missing. Actually, this area people now, our community, the Indian community, the Asian community, they're mostly the ratio of people they're in Surrey. And now slowly and gradually from last couple of years, people are moving to this side.
Yeah.
So when I reviewed that, a lot of people are moving from Surrey to this side because it's a nice place, small, neat, clean, and obviously a little cheaper than Surrey. So living expenses are lesser than Surrey over here. So people are moving to this place. So I find that the community is moving, the Asian community is moving. So there must be demand for the Indian food, the Asian food here. So that made me come here and start the business here.
Well, no, that's really good.
Just to serve the community.
Just to serve the community.
Yeah.
So you do delivery too?
Yeah, we are about to start the delivery in March, in summers.
Okay.
Because winters it's rainy, and we are doing skip the dishes and Uber Eats, online. We have 2-3 patrons for food delivery now.
Good. Yeah. No, that's great. We're going to use you for that.
Yeah, thank you.
For delivery, yeah. So, so far, what has surprised you most about opening a new restaurant?
Surprised, there are challenges,
Yeah.
that it takes time because this is a word-to-mouth publicity business. So, you came to me as a client and you got samosas from me. You went back home, enjoyed that in your family. So, you'll recommend my place to someone else.
Yes.
So it takes a little time. It's a little slowly up doing business, but thanks to God, our graphs is going upwards day by day. So we are very positive about that.
No, so what are some things that people don't really know about Indian food?
A lot of things. There are a lot of things.
Anything really that stands out?
The people who came to Canada almost 30, 40, 50 years ago from India, so they were not exactly the chefs or they were not the cooks. They were the basic people who knows little of cooking.
Yeah.
And they started making things and opened restaurant. People from that time who gradually were moved from Asian countries or India, Pakistan, they didn't find any more options. So they tend to make the same taste. But nowadays the educated people are coming, the guys from hotel management, the chefs, the head chef from Taj, from Mauritius, from the good brands from India, they are moving here. So they are creating new things. They are giving the right taste to people. So that's what I'm trying to do.
Well, that's wonderful. So, why did you choose this location or this area?
Because especially this plaza, this has 3 restaurants. So I believe where you have the business, where you have the food business, jump into that. Because you have already a walking client. So you don't need to create new place or new market for you.
Yeah.
This is already a market. Chinese restaurant, doner, Korean. All the 4 restaurants.
No, I agree.
People
with
have
you.
choices.
They do.
Yeah.
They really do. So,
And it's the low heat highway. It's the most running highway.
so I mean, having other restaurants in the area is a big deal because it brings people here.
Yeah, it's more
It does. It makes sense. So, what do you want to see improved in this neighborhood? Just looking around, what would you like to see? That might help you in your business.
Little more parking.
Yeah.
Little more parking.
No more parking.
Because we have a realtor nearby, so till afternoon it's full of packed with parking. My clients, sometimes it's difficult for my client to get parking in. Rest, we have good neighbors, A&W, White Spot. It's all food all around. So people come here. So one day my client goes to A&W, someday A&W client comes to me. It's okay. It's good. Everything is good about this place.
Yeah,
it's a good choice.
That's good. So, do you think, obviously all of us are trying to get people to shop locally, to deal with, restaurants in their neighborhood and grocery stores and so on. So I really personally appreciate the fact that you're here.
Thank you so much.
I think that's really good. I'm a huge supporter of entrepreneurs and local business and so on. I think it's very, very important that we have these things here. So, I don't want to tie everybody up here a little bit for the whole afternoon, but just a quick thing about, we've got pictures of your menu up here. It looks like you've got a big selection of items up on your menu, and they seem to be pretty well priced.
Yep. Okay. Since the starting of the business, we have kept the price up to the market.
Yeah.
Not lower, because we are doing a good quality business.
Yeah.
So, and not too high. So that we just want our clients to taste our food, appreciate that. Slowly and gradually, we'll build up the market.
So what's the best way to phone ahead of time and have it ready to pick up?
Yeah, it's always, we have 2-3 options. So number 1 option is like you just call my restaurant, place the order. Usually we give 30 to 40 minutes time for the pickup.
Okay.
And number 2 option is we have an online. So you just go online, place your order. I'll get a fax from the company. So you just need to mention your pickup timing, your taste, you want what spice you like, what any extra things you want to add in or take out. So we just do it and same time, it's 20 to 25 minutes for the pickup time.
Okay. So I was on the web and I saw your other locations, but I didn't see this location there yet. Is this going to be coming up there very soon?
Yeah, because we are new to the market, so we're just updating it on day by day. So we're coming up soon, and that's why you were here.
Yeah. just to help with that.
Yeah.
So I looked at your little menu here. It's a wonderful menu. It's got everything that you could possibly imagine in here in Indian food and some Western food as well. So I mean, there's some choices in here. But what really got my attention was your specials. That 10 samosas for $7.95.
Yeah, that's the hot favorite of my all Canadian fellow my clients. They love samosas, and that's why we have a deal. Because usually there are 3-4 more restaurants who are serving samosas that's $1.50 or $1.75, and selling for $2. So that's the most eatable food here, selling with the most common people. It's a good snack. So we have kept that price a little low, that we want to spread the flavor to the clients.
Okay.
That's the easiest way. Small amounts, big bundle, and goes to 10 people.
Yes, absolutely.
The spread is like anything. It's spreading it out.
Well, it is. 10 people get to try it.
Yeah.
Makes sense to me.
Yeah.
I think it's a very good idea. So, anyway, I'm very happy we had this little time together, able to share some of this with you. So I would encourage you, please, come by, give Sangam a try. I know that you'll be happy with the food. This is Doc Livingston, eXp Realty, and we'll see you next time bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Okay.